Batumi is no longer just a seasonal city. Today it is becoming one of the most ambitious luxury real estate investment cities in the world. Hello, my name is Nata Samnidze and welcome to the real estate channel of Batumi. On this channel, we are going to discuss everything about the real estate investments in Batumi, from luxury properties to the budget-friendly investments, everything in between. We're going to start this channel with luxury investments in Batumi, because usually these are the projects that redefine the city in the future. When we talk about luxury, there are some projects that we can say, but only one island, the Ambassadori Island, that has already done its part, and the geography of Batumi is changed forever. This is their sales office. We are going to head right into it right now and give you the first-hand information directly from the developer. Ambassadori Island is one of the most ambitious projects, not only in Batumi, but in the entire region. Developed by Ambassadori Group, it's fully man-made island, offering you different lifestyle options. Today we're gonna meet Ms. Tamara, who is gonna give us the details of the full infrastructure, units, and all the information needed to making the right investment choice. Hello, Tamara.
Hello.
Welcome to our channel, and we are discussing Ambassadori Island as one of the most luxurious developments in the city. I would like you to share the details of the infrastructure, what's going on in there, when it's going to be finished. Just give us the basic info, and later we are going to jump into the more advanced questions.
For sure. Ambassadori Island is first in Georgia and the largest artificial island project on the Black Sea coast. A massive development with two peninsulas and one island, which is created for a luxury living for tourism and business in Batumi, which will include the concert hall, yacht club, villas, first sand beach in Batumi, and residential buildings, even the helicopter pads on each building.
Tamara, can I ask you a question? How many buildings do we have in total? How many towers do we have?
On this part of the peninsula, we will have 10 towers, and one of them is a residential building, which we are selling now.
When are we gonna see this? Like, when it's gonna be finished? Like, what you're showing here, I wanna know when I'm gonna look from my window, which I have a great view on it,
yes,
and I'm gonna see everything that I see right now in here.
This part of the peninsula will be done in 2029 in February. And also the infrastructure which you see on this side, shopping mall, casinos, hotels, business center, and also our residential building.
What I see from now, I really like it. I mean, it's a different concept. It's very different for Batumi. Yes. I see you have a aqua park in there, so
concert hall, also private villas and houses, and also our concept is smart city, and all the cities we have also the main architectural symbol, which will be a gate tower. On this building we will have a biggest casino in Georgia, 5-star hotel, and also the shopping mall with the premium brands.
Tamara, can we buy anything in the gate tower? You selling at this moment, I mean, what are you offering to the international investors today?
We are selling now the first residential building for our investor here, 58 floor. From this, the first 2 floors will be commercial areas. First, after this reception, a pharmacy, supermarket. On the last floor of the building, we will have an infinity swimming pool and also a helicopter pad. Last 2 floors are duplexes, exclusively for sale.
Are they open for the sale?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Great.
And also, now I will show you the layout of the apartments.
Can I see the layout, and also what is like the starting price that I can become an investor, let's say in your project?
$2,883 is a per square meter price.
What is like the price of the apartment in this case? The lowest price, I mean, how do I enter into the
yes,
project?
For sure. The lowest price is $114,000 now, the studio apartment, which have view to the casino and hotel Tonino Lamborghini, and also view to the port and to the sea.
As a potential investor, let's say I buy this today. And somewhere in between from 100 to 200 Ks, there is 150 Ks. Let's say I invest 150 Ks. What is the expected return on investment, and also what is the capital appreciation? I mean, what do you think it's gonna cost once it's finished?
Of course, the prices will be double because, as I told you, there is many construction now in Batumi, and also there are a lot of residential buildings, but artificial island will be only one in Batumi, and that's why the price for sure will be double. And also our business model is for a long-term rent. And
so
yes.
You don't have a daily rentals, it's a long-term rentals that you
yes, yes.
And what is the expected return on investment?
60% per year.
16% per
yes,
year?
Yes.
And you have the numbers for that to back it up?
Yes, for sure.
That's great.
Yes.
I mean, we're gonna go dive. How much of the project have you already sold?
40% we already sold.
And who is the buyers? I mean, where do they come from?
First of all, we have a lot of Georgian customers because this, as I told you, this is a very unique project, and also we have a lot of European customers from Poland, from Saudi Arabia, also from different countries.
Why do you think they buy this project? I mean, is it because
it's international project, as I told you? They are not investing only in Batumi. They are investing in artificial islands. It's a city in the city which have all the facilities and everything to rent the apartments, and also it's very comfortable to live here.
Besides its architecture and that it's an island and it's a man-built, what else, something that only this project has that none of the other projects have?
First of all, our island have a lot of infrastructure to receive luxury customers. For example, here we have helicopter pads, we have luxury shopping malls and etc. And even for yachts and etc. Investors who have their own yacht or their helicopter, they can enter here.
So you're developing kind of the shopping tourism as well? I mean,
yes.
Because I've heard that you are bringing the huge brands like
yes.
Chanel, Dior.
A lot of international brands are working on this project as well. ROI Group, which was the company which made the general planning of the island, and also the island works were done by Turkish company Yüksel Project. This is the company which made the airport in Rize, and this is also on an artificial island.
Let's say, I just want to know, so prices, I understand, they start from 115 Ks and goes up. The higher, the bigger the price. That's understandable. But how do I buy it? I mean, what is the initial payment? How many months you have an installment for? Yes. And what is like the final payment? Can I have like something in the end?
Yes.
Like when you give me the keys. So how do I buy this?
Down payment is 30%.
Okay.
And rest you can buy during 48 months. This is interest-free installment from our company. And the most important is that this part of the peninsula will be ready in February 2029. But if we will count from today, the installment is completed in September 2029.
So I still have so many
10 months, for example, to pay installment from a rent payment, from income, or you can pay, or you can resell it.
Okay, great. Where are we with the construction right now?
This part of the peninsula is already created. And after 15 days, maybe before New Year, we will complete this part of the peninsula.
Okay.
And after New Year, we will start creating of the laguna, and we will close the wave barriers.
Great. Also question, when we are gonna put a step in the building? Like when it will be possible that we are gonna see the piles?
We already started construction. We already received a construction permit, and we started our residential building. And in January, we will already have a first floor of the residential building.
Thank you very much.
It was
interesting to get to know this project. In case you have further questions, you can DM us for the questions, and we can help you with anything that you need regarding the project. And this is something amazing for Batumi. And this is amazing for every city, but for a city this small, with this many projects, years and having this level of the project, bringing luxury into the city. Thanks for the group for developing it, and hopefully very soon we are going to see the several floors of the first tower. Second project of today is a different type of luxury, vertical, architectural, and excellent. We are talking about Silk Towers, designed by living legend of architecture, Gengokuma and Associates. This project represents everything one can ask for. We are gonna have Miss Tina today. She's gonna explain us all the details that we need to know about the project. It's expected to be finished in 2029. And the rest we will ask Tina, and she's gonna give us all the information. Hello, Tina.
Good afternoon.
Thanks for meeting us here, hosting, and giving the details about the project. First of all, I love your project. It's
Thank you.
amazing, it's beautiful. I love the architect, and it was a big surprise for me as a resident of the city that the huge architectural names like Gengokuma and Associates are designing something in my city. It's a privilege, and I really enjoy it. Now, before I move to everything that I see, and some of this part is already built, I have a question to ask. Who is the developer? What have they done before? And would you like sum this up for us? Like, who develops this amazing architecture?
Thank you for your interest and thank you for coming here today. And I'm really honored and glad to give you full detailed information about that one. And let's start from the beginning. So, Silk Road Group is one of the biggest holding in Georgia, which is doing the project. We have more than 20 years of experience in this field, and let me give you the portfolio, which includes luxury 5-star hotels, Radisson Blu Batumi, Radisson Blu Tbilisi, Radisson Collection in Imandali, and just newly opened Telegraph Hotel. So
all these huge names and hotels belong to the group?
Yes, yes. So, and one of the main points why this project can be not only like a unique and not only like a prestigious, it is the name behind this project. So you mentioned Gengokuma, which is in a top 5 in the whole world, which is
Definitely.
one of the best architects in the world, exactly. This is not only honor for us, for the company, but for the city and the country itself, because we are not doing just buildings, you know, the glass tall buildings. We are doing the combining the nature with the buildings, and we are combining like cultures. So we are combining Japanese culture to Georgian culture and giving us this beautiful project, which is one of a kind, and no one else has this kind of project.
I definitely see that it's a very different from all the projects that are existing right now in Batumi. And interesting part, let's start from something interesting, okay? Because I know many details about the project. So this park, we started actually shooting this video of today's the luxury investment in Batumi, like right here, like right on this alley right there.
Yeah.
So we were because it looks amazing, and it's just recently opened, and when the trees grow up and everything like gets green, it's winter right now, so in the spring we're gonna see a better picture of it.
Yeah, so this is 2 hectares of land and municipal park. So we did it for the city, and we are glad to have it on all around.
And you even started it before you started the construction?
This is some kind of trick, because we are doing some infrastructure, and after we are doing the construction. You know, it is always like in a contrary. I mean, they are doing the buildings and after the infrastructure. But as you can see, we have already paddle ports, we have the football fields, and this place is open and like.
And it's a publicly accessible place.
Of course, anytime. You can enjoy the walking, the promenade, you can enjoy the playing, and you can just rest there.
When we mention the Batumi, and when we have this view of, when you Google Batumi, you see this front picture that like this tall buildings and everything. So this building is gonna pop up there right pretty soon, because we are gonna have this building right on the front. So this is like the edge, as far as I understand. What is this building right now?
So
okay, that's
you know
a yacht
that
club.
full territory is up to 10 hectares, and we have a here, of course, mentioned about the municipal park, and this is our yacht club as well, which will be done actually by the Kengo Kuma. So we are doing the renovation, and by the help of Mr. Kengo Kuma, we are doing it.
What are these white buildings? This is the part of the complex, as far as I understand, right? So, okay, let's just talk about whatever we have on hand right now, and then later on move to the what is like the upcoming stages and when they are gonna be open for sale.
So this is Tower 1, and you see some kind of podium around it, right?
Yep.
So this 9th floor podium is full infrastructure. You know, the casinos, the hotels, 5-star hotels, and the brand hotels names will be announced soon. And there will be branded residences, there will be restaurants, because we are in Georgia, you know, we need to have like a cuisine there. So there will be also the spa, the gym, I mean, everything that is necessary for the 5-star luxury brands, you know, and for the high quality branded projects. So, and one of the most like important thing is the parking lot. So we have 400 parking spaces in the building. We need to mention that we will have a huge conference spaces, the meeting rooms, the ballrooms, and you know that Georgia is quite
well, now
famous.
that's a different infrastructure.
Yes.
Now we're talking.
And so you know about the Georgian weddings, right? And the MICE business is flourishing in Batumi, and you know all the segments. I mean, not only like a leisure. I mean, we can say that Tbilisi, for example, is a business city, right? But Batumi is a business plus leisure.
Yeah.
So we are combining everything, and all those infrastructure is must to have. And for the high quality projects and in a top location that we are right now, where all the attractions are, I mean, when you Google it, right, where you need to go to Batumi, you see Ferris wheel, you see Alphabetic Tower, you see Ali Nino statue.
Yeah, everything that you see there, it's right.
Yes.
Yeah, walking distance, it's like 2 minutes, it's in front of the project.
So all the infrastructure that will be in the building, in our project, is a must. You know, our company have more than 20 years of expertise in this field, and this is quite of aspect why we are having so much projects and why we are having so much tourists here.
Actually, the one question that, like, I've been in this business for more than 15 years now, so, and what I'm missing from the investors is like, and misleading, is that they don't ask a question like, who stands behind the management, okay? Like, you buy a property from the developer, and then you've been promised some return on investment, an unknown number of 10, some of them promise 15, 20 even. So, I mean, that's basically impossible to achieve. But we are talking about, like, I believe in this project because, first of all, the infrastructure. Second of all, I believe in this project because I know how this company manages the other properties that they have. And they've been in this luxury business for several years now, decades actually. And their numbers actually are Googleable. Yeah. I mean, you can just Google what's the revenue of the Silk Group for the hotel businesses.
It's transparent information, actually, yeah.
I mean, you can actually see the numbers, and you can actually know that there is a physical company who is managing it and who has been doing this so in Georgia within this segment for several years. So I personally myself believe that this is a very important question that every investor should be in. Like, who is the one managing my investment?
Yeah.
Tina, can you tell me what is like the entry price? Like, as far as I know, you recently started selling just a week ago because it was on the pre-sale stage, and we could only book apartments. So now it's actually the sales stage where people can actually come and buy this property. Okay, that's a very good. So it's open for sale. And I want to know what is like the price of the smallest entry ticket?
98,000 for the studio type.
Okay.
It's for the fully finished, built-in furniture and technique.
How do we pay? What is your payment plan?
Yeah. So we have 20% of down payment and 48 months interest-free installment. I mean, till the completion, you can have monthly payments or the quarterly payments.
So in numbers, let's say if I have like 20Ks, I can just start paying right now.
Down payment, yeah.
And the rest will come probably up to 2Ks per month?
Yes, approximately 2.2. Even we can have like a high down payment, I mean a high number of down payment, and the monthly payment will be reduced, of course.
Okay, that's great. And when it's going to be finished? When are we going to see everything that I see from here?
So the building will be done in 2029.
Okay.
And
beginning or in the end?
In the end.
Okay.
In the end. Construction works of the exterior will be done by the end of 2029.
Okay.
After we will need few months to fully finished inside works,
Okay.
and after like December of 2020-30, it will be fully opened. and
So
operational.
basically, it's 2030 when
Yes,
somebody will
when we
start
open,
generating
yes,
income,
the
right?
income, yeah.
Okay, okay.
And now
understand.
regarding the income.
Okay, what is the expected return on investment, and who calculated it, and how do
Yeah.
you, what do you promise? I mean, what is the promise of the Silk Hospitality Group in this case?
Yeah, so feasibility study was done by Cushman & Wakefield, which is international third-party company, and they provided us with the numbers, and they are promising us to have a 12.6% of ROI.
That's great. So you have an international third-party
Yes.
service who already
Yeah.
calculate. That's great. I've never seen this in any of the projects in Batumi. It's interesting, and it's a pretty high number.
Yeah.
How do you expect the capital growth? Let's say I buy today a studio with you for 100K.
By the completion, it will be double, minimum the double.
Minimum the double.
Yes.
That's also my expectations on the project. I think
course.
that's a reasonable increase. Everything done, okay? Let's
Yeah.
imagine that everything is done. When is that? Like 35 or?
It's approximately 33.
Okay, it's approximately
Yes.
33. So, okay, if it's 33, so probably in upcoming 1 or 2 years, we're gonna see another towers open for sales,
yeah.
right? Okay, great. And the front building right there, that's the hotel, or that's
That
also?
will be the 5-star international hotel.
That's very nice. Both projects, Silk Tower and Ambassadori Island, are long-term value investments. They provide you with everything that the luxury properties can offer. Depending on your desires and depending on what is that you are looking for in Batumi, these projects are here to discuss and to negotiate. Thank you for watching till the end. My name is Nata Samnidze, and with more than a decade of experience in the real estate in Batumi, in the next episodes, we're gonna dive into numbers, return on investments, capital appreciations, and the other projects that we're gonna discuss. Thank you.